Good morning all of you. Welcome to our platform. Today I will talk about computer. My topic belong to class 6. Today we will discuss about the chapter number 3 and the name of the chapter is Windows 7. Today we will understand two topics, that is burning and the Windows side by side. So let's start our chapter. First topic is burning. When we copy data from a computer to CD, that is known as a burning a CD. You also can that we are creating a CD, means that you are filling material in your CD, so you are creating a CD. In the last video you read about the ripping. In ripping we copy our data CD to computer. Now we will copy our data computer to CD. We have a blank CD and we will fill it with the help of our computer. These things we have to do in the burning. Now come to the step. When you insert your CD, this type of dialog box has been open, and when you click on burn to CD, this type of box will be open, and in this box you can click on this topic, burn topic. You can click on burn topic. Again I am repeating, when you insert a CD, this type of dialog box will be open, and when you open it, then this type of box will be show you, and in this box you can click on the burn. Burn means copy will be open. When you click on burn CD, then this type of dialog box will be open. This types of dialog box will be open. It will ask to you file name. You can fill your file name. And now click on the next option. Next option is here. You can click on here. Understand? Firstly we will click on burn CD, and in this dialog box we will fill title name and then click on the next option. Then we made our title name, then again a dialog box will be open. In dialog box you have to select the song, which type of song you want to copy. You drag your all the songs here. Now if you completed your task, if you select your song, then you will click on the burn. If you select your song, all the songs, if you want you can collect all the songs, or you want a limited song, so you can select here all the songs. After completing this you click on burn. If you want to stop, you can also be stop here, and your CD will be burned. Again recall these steps. First step is insert your CD. When you insert your CD and you open the dialog box, click on the dialog box, then this types of dialog box will be open. You have to click on burn. And again a dialog box will be open. You have to mention your file name. And then go to the next option. Now you have to select the songs. Which type of songs you want, you can select here. And after that you will click on burn option. Your burning has been completed. Now come to the next point, that is display two windows at a time. Means that if we have to work with two windows, then what we will do, first one window we will minimize and work on another window, and when we need another window, then we minimize same window and do another window. But in Windows 7 there is a option when we put are two windows side by side. We can display two applications side by side, and now we can copy from this application to this application, this application to this application. We can put our windows side by side. How we will do it? Let's try to understand. Firstly, open two programs, MS Word and MS Excel. I know you can easily open these two programs. Firstly, open MS Word and secondly, open MS Excel. Now come to the taskbar. Come to the taskbar. You can also see here taskbar. And now come to the taskbar. Taskbar is here. Now come to the taskbar, and in the blank portion of taskbar, right click. Which click? Right click. In right click option, you will find a window side by side. Window side by, show window side by side. You also can see here. Show window side by side. Now click on show window side by side. You will see that both the window side by side, both window, MS Word window, MS Excel window has been displayed side by side, and now you can do your work easily. You also can show your multiple window at the same time. आई थिंक आपको दोनों ही ऑप्शन समझ में आ गए होंगे. किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन हो तो वो मुझसे पूछ सकता है. एक बार और विंडो साइड बाय साइड का क्विक रिवाइज कर लेते हैं, इसके बाद समझते हैं. फर्स्टली व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ विंडो साइड बाय साइड? इफ we have to display two windows at the same time, then we will use this option. It is given in Windows 7. Firstly, open MS Word and MS Excel. Firstly, open both two programs. After that, you go to the taskbar. Right click on taskbar, and then in dialog box, click on the show window side by side. Click on the show window side by side, and you will see that your window has been displayed side by side. In our next video, I will show you that how can we do these things by practically. Today I will explain in theoretically, and in next video I will show you practically how can we do. And मेरा वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. अगर आपको समझ में आया हो तो इसे लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो.